So to finish this off, I want to show you the teacher view on the work that the students have completed. So we're going to go to classwork. We'll see the assignment here, and we know that 2 have turned it in. So we're going to open up one of the documents. We'll see that they have made their changes. Some options we have here are 1, we could return the assignment if we're not happy with the work that they've completed or the work that they've done. 2, here we can issue a grade. And the last thing that we can do here is we could give them a comment. So if they did a really good job, once you post it, then we can go back to our classroom. Go to tutoring, classwork. Now we see we have the 2. Now I want to see from this view right here. You see this person has a grade of 90 and their private comment.